This is Jonah Mart here in Amsterdam. I just have a new word for you today, and that is bubbles. In Ilonggo, it's bula. Alright, look at that. So I'm just amazed at the wonderful bubble show here. So just remember, bula is bubbles. If you want to say in the proper plural form, mga bula, but you can just say bula. We have a saying, oops, naglaho na parang bula, or disappeared like a bubble. Meaning to say, if something or somebody is naglaho, actually naglaho is Tagalog, but it means to disappear. So the saying means that if somebody is or something is naglaho na parang bula, it disappeared like a bubble, disappeared without a trace. Whoa! Oh wow! Woo. Wow! 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 So this is Jonah Mart here in Amsterdam. So it's a very busy day here.